title, because look, a bitch has not done a shoe haul in probably years, okay? Holla at your girl if you guys are longtime subscribers, and if y'all remember back in the days when your girl used to do these hauls from the flow in front of the closet, okay? Back in those days, that is how long it's been since I've actually probably done any form of shoe haul on this channel, okay? Now you guys know, if you guys have been longtime followers of mine, I live and love shoes, okay? But your girl just recently had a whole bunch of children, okay, at the same damn time. And so that has slowed down my shoe purchasing capabilities, okay, because they need things, diapers and wipes and shit. And so, look, let me tell y'all something. The folks at Shoe Dazzle have decided to sponsor this video, and so I was able to pick out a few shoes from their site, okay? I am now officially a member of Shoe Dazzle as well. If any of y'all are a frugal fashionista like myself, especially now, because I have kids and an entire family to feed, okay? Your girl likes to be frugally fashionable, right? And loves to still look good, but gotta still look good on a budget. And Shoe Dazzle allows you to do that, okay? So if you're a shoe lover like me, let me put you on game, okay? First of all, check out the link at the top of the description box. That is going to give you a discount for signing up with Shoe Dazzle, okay? Now, here's what it is. It's basically a site that encompasses shoes as well as accessories and clothing as well. They have expanded to that because it's been a while, okay, since I've had the opportunity to check out Shoe Dazzle. And last I checked them out, they only had shoes, and now they've expanded to even more than that, okay? So that's number one. Number two, because of the fact that you're part of Shoe Dazzle, you're going to be saving 30% off of what you would pay for those same shoes and accessories and clothing items, 30% off retail, okay? So they're automatically giving you a discount off the top just for being a VIP member, okay? Now, here's how it works. You sign up to become a VIP member, and you'll use the link at the top of the description box to do just that, okay? And you will go ahead and sign up. Once you sign up, you will be taken through a style quiz, okay? And that style quiz will give them an idea of the types of shoes you like, clothing you like, the styles, the colors, that type of thing. So it's a really easy style quiz, but when you see the style quiz, you'll understand how they come up with your collection every single month, because it's obvious, you know, you'll see what I'm talking about. But check out the style quiz. Like I said, sign up for a VIP membership down below, okay? You'll be taken through that style quiz that will give them an idea of what to stock your collections with every single month when you get your reminder email, okay? And so every single month you will get the option to choose from a variety of different clothes, accessories, and shoes, more importantly, okay, that fit your style based on your style quiz, okay? And when I say it's hundreds upon hundreds of options for you to choose from, look, I said for you to choose from, I am not lying, okay? So every single month you'll get sent a reminder email that basically says, hey, your collection is available for viewing, and check it out and pick what you want, okay? The cool thing about this service is that you can also skip if you ever need to skip. You can skip as long as you skip between the 1st and the 5th of the month, okay? But if you do get something, which I know you will earn points for every dollar that you spend on Shoe Dazzle's site that you can actually use and redeem later for future purchases. Now here is the best part, okay? I am giving y'all 50% off of the site, okay? Just by signing up using the link down in the description box, okay? So just to try it out and check it out for yourself and fall in love with it like I have, okay? You will get 50% off site-wide. That is on every single thing that's on the site, okay? So get on to the link, go ahead and do the style quiz, okay? Create your account, and then you will see just how much stuff is available for you to choose from, and you get 50% off of whatever the hell you decide to buy, okay? And that's from me to you, all right? So I wanted to showcase you guys some of the shoes that I got from Shoe Dazzle. So got a big old box over here on my left side, and let me go ahead and show y'all what I got. All right, so the first pair of shoes I got are a pair of wedges, okay? And you guys already know, I've been doing a lot of traveling as of late, and I plan to do some more with the kiddos, and maybe without the kiddos, again with the hubby. We're working on it. However, these are the wedges I got. All right, bam. My sister actually stole my last pair of wedges from me, my black and my brown pair. She took them both from me. She took advantage when I was pregnant, when I couldn't wear these shits no more because my feet were too swole. So I had to get myself another pair. So just a simple pair of brown wedges that will go with almost every single thing I own. I just thought these were absolutely adorable. Now, the thing about Shoe Dazzle that I discovered is the fact that you want to move on the shit you want to buy ASAP Rocky, okay? Because obviously other people are on the site, there are other VIP members, and obviously they want probably some of the more popular items like you do, right? So there was one particular item, actually, and this other one that I'm about to show you guys here in a second, that I wanted in a different color, that I am just going to wait and see if it pops up on my my next collection, and as soon as it comes up in those colors, I'm gonna buy them. So this one was one that I wanted in white, but it was sold out, but I also wanted it in the blush color that I'm about to show you, so bam! Okay, it's whitewashing it out in the camera, but let me go ahead, there it is, bam! Look how cute that is. It's got a kind of a copper rose gold type top, rose gold on the back, and it's just a cute pair of canvas sneakers. And you guys know I'm gonna wear that with my little booty shorts, honey. My little booty shorts with a cute little t-shirt. Just very simple. Y'all know I'm simple when it comes to, you know, summertime wear. So yeah, y'all know I'm gonna rock these with my little booty short type of situations, a little tank top, something simple. But they're adorable and they come in white as well. So look out for those in your collection and pick them up because they're so freaking cute. Last but not least, this is the shoe I wanted in another color, but they happen to have it in my second option. So I chose the second option in hopes to see it in my collection next month in gold, okay? Bam! Take a look at these, y'all. Okay, look at that platform, okay? Look at the heel. They are silver and they are everything. It's got an ankle strap. Oh my God, honey. Are y'all looking at this? Bam! Okay. Tell me those are not cute. Anyway, y'all, look. Those are the 3 shoes that I got from Shoe Dazzle. Thanks to Shoe Dazzle for sponsoring this video and sending me these shoes. I definitely plan on continuing to get more because now I am an official subscriber to the service. So if you guys want to see more hauls like this when I pick up fun finds, fun shoes and that type of thing before I go on trips or vacations or whatever, comment down below. Let me know if you guys want to see more of those. Thumbs up this video while you guys are here. And if you guys are looking and checking me out for the first, second, third, fourth, fifth time, subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you guys get a subscription down below, become a VIP member, and get 50% off the entire site just for trying it out using the link at the top of the description box. That's the only way you'll get 50% off the site. So make sure you guys use the link at the top of the description box to become a VIP member. Get 50% off the site. Try it out, check it out, see what you think. Okay, you guys will love it, I promise. And again, you can always skip if you have no desire to buy anything or get anything. You can always skip and wait until the next month. All right, no financial obligation with that whatsoever when you skip. Okay, anyway, look, I'm going to let y'all go. You guys already know the deal. Thumbs up this video if you love seeing these videos from your girl. Subscribe if you guys have not already. Comment down below if you guys want to see more hauls like this when I find shoes or clothing or things like that for vacation and trips we have coming up. I love y'all and I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.